This session is about the difference between linear thinking and circular thinking. Linear thinking, simply put, is about finding direct link between cause and effect. If B is the problem, what causes it? A is causing B. There is a direct link between A and B. So what do you do? If you remove A, B would disappear. B could be the engine is not starting. We have a problem. The car does not start. Why doesn't it start? The spark plug is bad. Changing the spark plug would cause the engine to start. There is no gas in the car. That causes the car not to start. Put gas in the car, it would start. The fuse is bad, it's defective. Change the fuse, problem solved, the car will start. Linear thinking, linear approach is very practical, especially when it comes to physical, dead things in the world. When it comes to human beings, it's not sufficient. It does work many times, but most of the time it's not sufficient because we are not thinking in a system as a whole and we are not thinking circularly. Circular thinking, it's about finding patterns of interaction between human beings within that system. It could be that system could be a family or an organization. In a circular approach, A affects B and reverse, B affects A and A affects B again. So in circular thinking, you don't place blame, you look at interaction, you look at relationships, you include yourself as a manager into that situation and figure out how you affect the system. In linear thinking, you find the direct cause to the problem, you remove the cause, you fix the cause, and the problem is solved. You need both ways to function as a leader and have a functional organization.